Prime Minister Modi, he had brought in this program with certain aim in life. Right in the year 2014, what was his aim that time? Why did he bring in Make in India program in 2014? पहले तो नहीं था, किसी भी government ने नहीं किया. So why did Modi think about it? Oh, that is okay, but then what was the bigger aim? Come again? To be self-reliant, yes, all of them said that. But what is most important is, his vision is India should be a developed country by 2047. If India has to be a developed country by 2047, definitely we need to be having a program which will make us grow. And that can't happen when we are importing, isn't it? If we have to grow, we have to increase our exports. So that is what is important. That's what you should think about. And that's how you should put your points across. All right? So if we have to grow, as I said, we have to reduce our imports. On what commodity were we spending most of our money? On what commodity were we spending most of our money?
Oil.
On oil, correct. We were spending most of our money on oil, isn't it? So we needed to take care of that. So were we able to, can we do anything about that? Can we start growing oil in our country for that purpose? We couldn't. So we were lucky enough. That time what happened is, when this pandemic took place and there were a lot of Russia-Ukraine war started and there were a lot of sanctions on Russia, so we were able to get oil, cheaper oil from Russia. That was a good thing in the history as such, because we were able to generate certain amount of money out of that. And we were able to reduce our imports of oil. Okay, import to kar rahe the, but at a lesser cost. The next important thing with that, aligned with that, is what? If we had to reduce our imports of oil, what is the next other thing? How do we get energy? Which are the other sources? Correct. Renewable energy, isn't it? And what is renewable energy? It is a clean energy. What's important is it's a clean energy. And when we talk of environment, India has committed itself that by certain period of time, we're going to be zero carbon emission country. What year is that? Exact date would be 2050 somewhere. We would be almost zero, because our targets, what we had accepted for ourselves, we have already reached that target of 2030. Today is 2024, but 2030 ka jo target tha, we have already reached because of various solar alliances. Because of solar alliances that we have had with countries abroad also, France, UK, Japan, and India ourselves. Right? So we have taken measures to improve our renewable energy and rely more on renewable. Side by side, what else is important? Renewable energy तो हम generate कर ही रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ हमारे को कुछ मिला है क्या इंडिया में? मैंने कहा कि we couldn't have got oil ourselves, but have we got any deposits of oil somewhere in India? कौन सा? Yes, Krishna Godavari basin, and of course near Andaman Nicobar as well. Yeah, so that is one this thing. Another thing that we are going to talk about is, when we are going to be relying on battery powered car, what have we discovered in India? Lithium. कहाँ पे? Yeah, very good.